What's up, everybody? My name is Travis Jones here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to be walking through this beautiful quantum blue Sea Ray 250 SDX. It's a 2024 model. Come check it out. So we're going to start at the stern of the 250 SDX here. As you can see, the Mercury 300 V8, plenty of power for this boat, great motor for this boat. One of my favorite features on this boat is all this deck space, but you can add more deck space by moving this back and forth. This is a great feature for if you're just hanging out at the sandbar or the island. Gives you plenty of space back here to hang out if you got kids, dog, and it also gives you an extra storage spot right here as well. You also have two speakers facing aft, which is great. Gives you plenty of sound for anyone in the water. They can all hear the music. You also have a phone charger down here, USB, and as you can see, we got plenty of cup holders as well back here. Also, you get a nice little storage spot as well. And you can also control your Fusion stereo system from here as well. I'm going to slide this back. And this seating is also adjustable, so it can face forward as well. Then as we move in here to the cockpit, you can see we also have plenty of cup holders again. Plenty of storage spots as well. As you can see, we got your table holder down there, your all-around white light. And then we also have another great storage spot here. And this is insulated and also has a drain, so you could technically throw some ice and some drinks in there. And then moving forward, you can see we got another spot here for a cooler. That's a nice little feature on the 25 SDX. We also have some more adjustable seating here at the helm. Same thing on the other side. As you can see, those seats, everyone can hang out in this cockpit area if they want to. And then here at the helm, I like the helm here on the 25 SDX. It's ergonomically, it's great. As you can see, I like how the throttle's up nice and high, and you can see clearly over the windshield. I love that feature. And then we got a great 12-inch SIMRAD system here, along with your Fusion stereo. Plenty of speakers on this boat as well. And this is one of the coolest features of the 25 SDX. This head area is pretty unique. As you can see, there's a pretty spacious head area in there. But one of the cool things is we got a cushion that actually drops over the toilet. And it kind of turns into like a little bed down there. It's great for kids. You want to get the dog out of the sun, the kids out of the sun. It's a great little feature. Then we got another storage spot here. This is a nice little area for cell phones, wallets, whatever you bring on the boat with you. And then moving forward up to the bow, you see this is plenty spacious for a 25-foot boat. We got another cooler area right here as well. And another cool feature on this one is this anchor locker kind of doubles down, so you can obviously have your anchor in there, as well as a boarding ladder at the bow. So if you decide to pull up to the island bow first, you also have a boarding ladder there. And then we also have plenty of covers for this boat as well. We got covers that pretty much will cover up everything up here and everything at the cockpit as well. There's also more cup holders and a USB port for your cell phone. So if you are charging, someone's hanging out up here, they can charge their phone. So if you got any questions on this boat, again, my name is Travis Jones. I'm here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Give me a call or stop on by.